How to stamp your tenancy agreement.
Why is stamping important?
Legalizes your tenancy agreement under the Stamp Act 1949. Makes the agreement admissible in court. Avoids penalties for unstamped documents. Ensures compliance with LHDN regulations.
How to do stamping?
Visit website http://stamps.hassle.gov.mystamps. Register your account, click Daftar ID. Select individual or company. Let's select individual for illustration.
Fill in applicant's details.
Enter your full name and IC number in the required fields. Click Submit check to verify your information. Enter a valid and active email address. You'll be required to verify this email later. Once completed, click Seterusnya and Next to continue.
Declaration.
Review your details, especially your email address and IC number. Then, tick the declaration box to confirm the information is accurate. Then click Yeah to proceed. A success message will appear as below. Check your email inbox for an activation link. Click the link to activate your account before logging in.
Account activation.
On the activation page, enter your password, re-enter it to confirm.
Log into your account.
Once your account is activated, return to the main page. Enter your IC number and password. Click Daftar Masuk to log in and start your stamping application.
Start a new stamping application.
On the main page, go to the Orang Permohonan drop-down menu, select Penyetaman Stamping to begin your tenancy agreement stamping process.
Complete all 6 sections.
There are 6 sections you need to complete in the stamping application. Maklumat AM, Bahagian A, Bahagian B, Bahagian C, Lampiran, dan Perakuan.
Fill in Maklumat AM section.
Under jenis instrumen, select sewa atau pajakan, tenancy, or lease. For pejabat setem, choose the stamp office that corresponds to your property's location. Enter the tarikh perjanjian atau tarikh ditandatangani, agreement date. Click Seterusnya, Next to continue.
Important reminder.
After completing each section of the application form, don't forget to click Simpan Save. This ensures your information is stored and prevents data loss if the session times out.
Fill in Bahagian A, party information.
This section captures details of both the landlord and tenant. If you are the landlord, tick the box, Guna maklumat dari profil saya. This will autofill your information from your user profile. Fill in the tenant's information manually, if not already saved. Don't forget to click Simpan after completing this section.
Bahagian B, agreement details.
Enter the agreement date, tarikh perjanjian. If you need a duplicate stamped copy, you'll need to pay an additional Rm10. To request one copy, set bilangan salinan di setem to 1. Click Simpan once this section is completed.
Bahagian B, agreement type item 3.
In item 3, deskripsi surat cara, select the type of agreement you're stamping. Choose perjanjian sewa atau pajakan, tenancy, or lease agreement from the drop-down list.
Click the blue line to fill in further details.
Fill in the tenancy start and end dates, tempo, sewa. Enter the monthly rental amount, sewa, sebulan.
Bahagian C, property details.
Enter the full address of the rented premises. Select the type of property, for example, terrace house, condominium, apartment, etc. If it's a condominium, you'll also need to specify floor number, built-up area in square meters.
Lamp P run, upload your tenancy agreement.
Go to the Lampiran tab. Upload a signed copy of the tenancy agreement, preferably in PDF format. Ensure all pages and signatures are clearly visible.
Perakuan, final declaration.
Go to the Perakuan tab. Review all the information you've entered. Tick the declaration checkbox to confirm everything is accurate. Click Enter. Submit to complete your stamping application.
Make payment.
Return to the main page of the portal. Click Bayaran Online, Online Payment. Choose FPX to pay via online banking. Complete the payment to finalize your stamping. Once payment is successful, you can download the stamped tenancy agreement from your account.
Print the stamp duty certificate.
Go back to the main page. Click on the Sigil tab. Locate your application and print the stamp duty certificate for your records. Keep a copy for both landlord and tenant. It serves as proof of stamping. Thanks for watching. Follow us for more easy guides. Hi there! Are you ready for e-invoicing, but not sure where to start? No worries. At Foss Consultancy, we've got your back. Our e-invoice training covers everything you need, from understanding the basics to using the MyEnvoi portal, and even setting up auto count, cloud accounting, and version 2.2. We'll walk you through it step by step. Simple, clear, and practical. And if you need support, you can choose a package that works best for you. 6 months, RM900 for 1 user. 12 months, RM1300 for 2 users. 18 months, RM1800 for 3 users. And hey, with the 18-month package, you'll even get 2 free webinars. If you're on our support package, you can reach us via any desk or phone. We're here to help with anything from system issues to software support. You can even ask questions during your implementation. Our goal is to ensure a smooth transition to the e-invoicing platform. Need us to set it up for you? No problem. Setup is just RM1500. And we can even issue e-invoices for you at RM200 per invoice. So don't wait. Give us a call at 012-316-1755 or email fastraining99@gmail.com. Let us make e-invoicing easy for you. Please like, share, and subscribe our channel.